Go.
Why Africa? Why online? Why now? After working in the online business and coaching entrepreneurs from Canada and the US mainly, I decided to move my business into the African market because I realized that when I moved here to South Africa, a lot of people didn't even understand the whole online business. They didn't even understand why they should even take their businesses online. Yet the world is changing so fast, and if you are still using the old methods, you're not going to attract, first of all, the right clients, and secondly, you're limiting yourself to a very small economy. You're determined by the economy in Africa, yet you can tap and reach a global economy and have a bigger audience and a wider audience, have clients from all over the world